Our focus is for each and every ILAC International High School student to have an opportunity to go to a college or university, to be well educated, and to be able to lead an amazing career path.
The way that we're developing students is holistic student development. So we're giving them as many opportunities as possible to achieve their dreams on campus. And that means giving them academic specializations in STEM. If you want to go into medical school, we have curated courses for you that you can select that suit you best and prepare you best when you're going off into university. Or if you're going into colleges, we also have course selection that way that allows you to better prepare for college. Say you want to learn about technology, coding, AI, we're going to have courses that are suited to you and your needs so that you can meet the demands of university and college there.
I also am very happy to say that we have a good foundation of not just our teachers, but our entire support system for our students to support them in their journey for learning. We have a suite of programs within our high school that appeal to students of all types and interests. So students can come in and have their own personal pathway in terms of their journey and where they'd like to be in the future.
We have an amazing group of teachers whom we work with. There are not only they have years of experience in teaching, but they are also Ontario certified teachers. They know how they could focus on students' individual needs and make sure that we come up with an environment where we could just nurture every student's potential.
And the most important thing is that we take every student as an individual figures, so they are here to grow with their individual path. We are not here to make every student the same, because we believe in their own potential, and we believe that after they studying in ILAC International High School, they will achieve the best of them, no matter whether they are going to have the tertiary education in Canada or overseas.
One of the things I love the most, I must say, is our attention to supporting students where they're at, building their confidence, supporting them in their maturity, but also supporting their academic success. So come and join us here at ILAC. We will be here for you. We have a great team, and it's an exciting time to be part of our journey.